So I was able to replace these two valves for different reasons. This one I do believe is one of the ones that we're going to be using to go over to the other side. And this, now that I've opened up this valve and I looked at the diaphragm that was inside of this one, it wasn't the right one. Actually, they didn't put it in right. So, which explains a lot of the leaking. That was way before the theft thing. But either way, the water is back on right now. So I can go ahead and run a manual. I'm testing it manually here. Strip. And I hear it. I hear it gurgling. That's doing great. Okay, we're going to turn that off. And of course I'm going to reconnect the wires here from the old solenoids, right? So that it's the same station over there where I've got the same. But I am not reconnecting this one because we are not using this valve until phase 2 or 3 or 4, whenever we end up going to plant the other side. Okay, so in the meantime, it's not leaking and feeding all of this Bermuda and running downhill and all that good stuff. So this should stop the bleeding and actually allow us to water the roses and keep this wonderful biology that's going on right now, so that we have something to plant into, and it jump starts our whole system sooner. You know, we don't want to. What we have here is so precious. This life, we want to keep this life going, this biology, so that it's less energy, less money that we have to invest to achieve the same thing, right? And then we'll be able to give Miss Piggy her total makeover from the inside out. And I mean, like, inside, all her vascular system, her heart, her her timers, her everything, and her maintenance. So she's going to get on a really good, easy maintenance schedule so that she can look good all the time. And maybe dress her up with a couple more lights here and there for, you know, a special occasion or something. But yeah, Miss Piggy, I love her. Cheers.